Dear student, in this video I'm going to talk about the total internal reflection in prism. So you know what is prism? Prism is basically made of the glass which we use for various light experiment like dispersion, scattering of the light, uh, to show the refraction. So here if the prism have made different angles, how it will show the different total internal reflection. So let's see that different scenario. But before going to that, just keep revision of the refraction what we have learned in previous chapter, and how to find the critical angle. So question saying that the ray of light is entering in the right angle glass prism. So this glass prism is right angle. Okay, if this is the 90 degree, this is 45, so obviously this will be also 45. Whenever you solve the prism, always make sure what angle is given to you. Now calculate the critical angle of the prism. Okay, just now we have learned that what is the relationship of critical angle and the refractive index. The sin is equal to 1 by refractive index of glass. So the C will be your here sin inverse 1 by 1.5. So if you solve this, let me solve it. So you'll get around 41.8 degree. So option 1 is done. Now question number 2, complete the path of the light ray until it emerges into the air. It means what? We have to talk about what is happening to this light ray which is entering to this glass prism until it emerges into air. So now it is from air, it is entering to the glass. Okay, since this is the 90 degree, 90 degree there is no deviation, so it will enter as it is. So it will fall on, so this is also 90 degree. Now it will fall on the plane AB. You always go plane by plane. So BC plane is done. Now we are in the AB plane. Figure out 90 degree which is normal. If this is the 45, this is the 19, then this would be 45. If this is the 45, this will be your 45. Okay, so angle of incident at the plane AB is how much? It is 45 degree. Now if this is 45 degree, okay, you know that what just now we have solved the critical angle is 48. So angle of incident is more than the critical angle. So what will happen? It will undergo total internal reflection. So it is going to reflect, and reflection will be the same angle because angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. Now if it fall it here, again you make a normal. Okay, figure out if this is 90, this is a 45, this will be your 45, this will be your 45. So again this is the 45 degree. So at AC plane we have to go plane by plane. So at AC plane, what is the angle of incident? It is the 45 degree, which is more than the critical angle, which is the 41.8. So what will happen to this light ray? It will be again reflect back. So reflection will happen to the same angle, which is 45. When it go to the 45, it will fall with the normal and it will be just go like straight 90 degree. So this is the complete ray diagram. I hope it is clear. So whenever you have prism question, you have to go step by step. Now let's see the prism in different scenario. Here you have 45 degree, 45 degree and 90 degree. What if I have a prism in category A, whereas you can see this is the 90, this is the 60 and this is the 30. Light is entering from PQ. So as I told you, go step by step. So at BC surface, this is 90 degree. So it will be passed undeviated and fall on the AC side. So AC side, when it fall, as you can see, it will go undeviated here. If this is the 60, this is the 90, this will be your 30 degree. And obviously it will be your 60 degree. Now if I'll ask you, angle of incident is again more than the critical angle or less than that? You will say more than it. So what will happen to this ray? It will go total internal reflection. If it is the 60 degree, this will reflect back to the 60 degree. Now it is entered to the AB side, this side. So when it fall with the 60 degree from here, it will reach here. Okay, and if you think that okay, this is the 60 degree here, how much angle it will be fall here? So this is your 30 degree, correct? This is your 90 degree. So if you make this diagram, you will figure out that okay, this is the 90 degree, so it should be the 30 degree. So that 30 and plus 60 will be your how much? 90 degree. So are you getting some idea that how to solve such question very easily? So there are different way you can figure out the angle. Okay, you can think of, okay, if I have 30, this is the 90, and then this will be your 60, right? In similar way, if you can now solve it, so if this is a 60, this should be your 120, correct, because this is total 180. So if this is the 120, this is your one, so this is 60 and this will be your 30, so it will be 150, correct, 120 plus 30. So now total is 180, so 180 minus 150, you will get 30 degree. So this 30 degree is falling at the AB. So this is AB. Is it less than the critical angle? It is less than the critical angle. So what will happen? It will be refract. So refraction. Let me know if you have a doubt. You can go step by step process. It's not very difficult. Now let's see the question number 2. Light is going from entering at the AC plane with the 90 degree. So there will be no deviation. It entered. When it fall at AC plane, as you can see here, what will happen? It will be make this part which is a 45 degree. How to know it's 45? You know this 45? Yes. You know this is 90? Yes. So what will happen? This angle, it will also 45 degree. So if this is 45, this will be 45. Now you ask the question, is it angle of incident at AB plane is more than the critical angle? What is critical angle? 42. Yes. So it will go under total internal reflection. So this will be also 45. Now when it reached to the plane CB, sorry, as you can see here, what happened? This is 45, this is 45, this is 45, so this will be your 90 degree, so it will pass undeviated. So this is how you have to solve the prism question step by step. Now let's see this question. Here this is a different kind of prism where each angle is 60 degree. This is 60 degree, 60 and 60. Okay, so if the plane is going undeviated from this side, okay, which is this side, base side, and it is going 90 degree, so when it is crossed to the 90 degree, this will be this will be around 45 degree, and then it is going to so here they have not given you degree. I think this is not 60, it should be your 45 degree, and this will be your 90 degree. As you can see here, 90 degree. Yes, it's now making sense. So if this is the 45 degree, they will always give you in the prism what is the angle you have provided. So if it is going undeviated, means it is 90 degree, this is 45, so this will be your 45, and so this will be your 45. So at, let's write at the plane, at AB plane, now the angle of incident will be 45 degree, which is more than the critical angle, which is 42. So what will happen to this light? It will be reflect in the same medium. So okay, so it reflect and enter to the BC plane. Now at BC plane, again you can see here what happened. This is 90 degree, right? So when it enters here, this angle, if you think about, this is your 45 degree, so this will be your 45 degree, correct? So angle of incident, which is here, it will be also 45 degree, angle will be 45 degree, which is more than the critical angle. So what will happen? It will reflect back and it will go to the BC plane, and at BC plane, if this is the 45, this is 45, it will be 90, it will pass undeviated. So this is the example of 180 degree deviation of the beam of the light. So this is the prism 3 scenario we have looked. Now you can solve any question if it is going to come from prism. So let's see the same question which came from the O-level exam. So question number 8, as you can see here, critical angle of air to glass is 48 degree, okay, 42 degree, sorry. Now which is incorrect pathway? Now you can figure out A is correct. So this is 90 degree, this is 45, so it will be your 90 degree, 45 around. Please go and check every option, it will help you to practice also. So this is the correct, just now we have discussed this part. Now B is not looking good, because as you can see here, the light is entering with some angle, it cannot go with the 90 degree, so incorrect is your B. You can check B and C and D as well. So here, as you can see here, it is enter, don't think this is 90 degree, you have to compare that at this plane, okay, if you make perpendicular. what is the angle? So it is not 90 degrees, so it will, when you enter, it is going to refract and it will move towards the normal, and again it will show you the similar kind of the scenario that it is going away from the thing, because it is moving now away from the from denser to rarer medium. So again you can check about D also. So light is entering in this diagram, which is some angle here. Here it is refracted and it is towards the normal, then it is, you have to make it normal here. It is going this way, total internal reflection, because this angle is more than critical angle, so it is reflected back. But when it entered here, the angle of incidence is less than critical angle, so it is refracted back to the air. So how this is practice you can do step by step. Now question number 6, critically is a critical angle for air water surface. So always remember, whenever you talk about critical angle, okay, critical angle, it is the angle of incident in the denser medium. So here what is the denser medium? You have option number C and D. Now if you look the option number C, which one is correct? It is correct because angle of incident is in the water and refraction is 90 degrees. So option number D is correct. I hope this much practice will be enough to solve all the question if it is going to come from the prism. So if you like this video, I think you can subscribe my channel, and please try to solve this question which I put on this, and let me know in the comment box what answer you got. We are going to discuss in the next video, and if you ask me, I'll reply also in the comment box. So please solve this. Thank you.